inner side of myself. It's everything I discover, I touch, I feel, the interaction with other people, communities, my travelings, my reading books, eye-catching of every moment in life, and my ultimate inspiration is the positivity that I find in every tiny small thing that I am in touch with. I think I was lucky to be born in a family who are almost all artists. From my mother's side, my grandfather, he was a great jeweler. He taught me how to engrave, without even trying to teach me, because I was watching him since I was 4 years old, and that stayed in my subconscious. Then my mother, who is also a classical painter, used to do several exhibitions to help poor people. She was too much giving to others. I began my studies in med school. Then I turned, after the first year, I felt so unhappy because I hadn't time to draw. And I spent all my life with a pencil in my hand. I was drawing all the situations that I used to meet, and I began with classical, of course. Then after that, I had my studies, and I studied art. I studied also interior design, and I taught for almost 15 years of my life in teaching art. And after that, I felt like I don't have any more time, because my exhibitions that I began to do since 18 years ago were growing up, were booming. So I arrived to one step where I couldn't do anything else than work in my workshop and then exhibiting when I'm invited to the art fairs worldwide. This painting took me more than 1.5 years to finalize it, and because there were so many details to do, and it is the intersection of all civilizations, ancient civilizations. I wanted to make a combination of all the world together since the beginning of the world. So you'll find inside it letters of cuneiform, of Maya, Aztec. You even find Egyptian hieroglyphs. You find also Phoenician alphabet. You even also find Greek letters, a little of Chinese, because we are all now mixed together to become one unique world. And I tried, you see the circles also in the painting. Those circles are meant to be the circulation of the world, and we are a giving, taking, giving world. So you have inside each circle, we find mandalas also. You have inside them too much treasures, because there is plenty of treasure for everybody, and it is shown in this painting. Then you find the squares that define all the painting, which says you have like a square, but you have another square, and you have to think outside the box to see what you really are and what you really can have in this world. And it is there's a message behind also this painting. It is that everybody with the knowledge, with cultivating ourselves, we become even more upper to our Creator, and we begin to be more humble, because we have now more self-confidence, and it makes the transparency. That's also because we have the transparency between the squares to show that we will, with our knowledge, we become more transparent to each other. We don't need to pretend like people sometimes do. We need to only to be ourselves, and being ourselves is a great treasure. It is a combination of two styles, like if I have two personalities. But this combination, it didn't came just like this. I began, since always, I used to engrave in my paintings, and I am known in that kind of painting. But after 2011, I had a health crisis, and that was a turning situation for me, and I went into the other style, which is only painting but layers of transparent painting one over other in oil and acrylic. So that was the difference between what I do and what I began to do. All civilizations mixed together, and look at yourself to see yourself on the other side. I'm so lucky to have my workshop over the sea, the Mediterranean Sea, and I have the beautiful sea surrounding me, and I have all Beirut. I can see it from my workshop. It's all full of only glass, and I see the sky. I have olive trees and palms and the sea. So it is so inspirational for me, the surroundings, and of course my family inspires me a lot. My 3 kids, my husband, we are too much close to each other, and they let me have my own space every time they see me in my workshop, even if I stay 13 hours sometimes a day without with forgetting everything that. And I think that I only passed 5 minutes in my workshop. My name is Lydia Mawad. I'm an artist painter from Lebanon. I'm here to participate in the Asia Contemporary Art Show in the Conrad, Hong Kong. Welcome to my world.